Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to show you my attempt at the prompts for Woolly Steph's Art Club. But before I do that, I have to say I haven't been on YouTube since February and I'm just finding it a bit strange and a bit difficult to get back on it again. Now things happened, my dogs got very sick. They're both okay now. I had them at the vet's on Friday, both of them, and the vet said they were okay, and I wasn't very well myself. And to add to that, I got involved in something, not an online thing, but offline, that developed into almost a full-time unpaid job, and I can't cope with that. So I'm trying to get back onto YouTube and get back to crafting and showing my crafty stuff. Anyway, Woolly Steph's Art Club. The first prompt was summer. Now this is the art journal I made, and I've made it about 5 inches square. I think Steph was suggesting 4 or 4.5 inches, but I just thought it was a bit small for me because my hands are gone a bit arthritic in my old age, and I can't really cope with really tiny things. So I made the cover out of it from one of these pages or one of these sheets of card. This is the card you get in Lidl, and basically I just cut it down, glued it together and stuck it together, and then the spine is a bit of silver card that I'd left over. It was in my scraps book, and the pages are going to be held in with twine like everybody else's, but mine are, I crocheted the twine. I crocheted a few. I changed what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I haven't been on YouTube for ages. I don't know how to speak properly, but I did lots and lots of chain stitch and just wrapped it around the spine to hold the pages in like that and that. And there's plenty of space, as you can see, for another for more pages, etc. And what I'm going to use for the basics, the back pages, is some of these cards. I have these scallop cards for ages and I hate them. When I bought them I used to love that scalloped effect, but I don't like it anymore. So that's what I've made the blank pages with. Now my first attempt was summer, and this is it here. I used my own painty paper and napkins for it, so I didn't really do that much painting or drawing or sketching. It's more just stick and assemble. And this is the background. This is painty paper with stencils over it. Now it was something I did ages ago, and then I glued part of a napkin over it. And there's 2 different napkins here. One is the cosmos flower in the background and the other is the bee. Now I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the cosmos flower napkin. Beautiful, really summery. And then I tore the bees out of this napkin, various bees and little insects, glued them on, and that was it. And while I'm at it, I'll show you one of my own cosmos flowers. Here it goes, making its little entrance, just to let you see that's what it's meant to look like in real life. So I was really enjoying myself and I really got into it. So I did another page on the theme of summer using just the bee napkin and some more painty paper. This stuff here that I have this about 2 years. So it's about time I started using it. So if I see, this is it. It's just the bee and the summer, and I glued the napkin over the painted paper, and then I coloured in the bits with kind of a metallic marker. Right, that's all. Not really. I know Steph only wanted us to do 1 page, but I kind of got carried away, and I've plans for the next prompt for the next fortnight is nature, and I've that kind of planned out in my head already. So I'm really getting into this, and I'm grateful to Steph for for getting it organised and set up. Like while I was between now and February, I did a bit of painting and I have made some ATCs and stuff like that. I know a lot of people have been swapping ATCs and swapping various things. I haven't gone in on it because I couldn't really cope with it. And also the post, everything has gone so odd now after COVID and Brexit and whatnot. I think the price of sending things has gone up an awful lot. I don't know, because I haven't posted anything overseas recently. But as I said, that's the first one. And that's my first summer attempt, and that's the second one. So I might do another video maybe tomorrow or later on today showing the ATCs I made, and if anybody wants one they can ask me for it. So I hope you're all, that's all. As I said, I've totally lost the knack of doing videos, and apologise for my hands because I've been gardening and my hands are filthy and scruffy and disgusting. But I will get back into this craft thing, and yes, I think that's all I have to say really. I hope you're all enjoying the summer and staying sane and healthy. It's very wet and overcast here today in the southeast of Ireland, the supposedly sunny southeast, but our bank holiday is until next Monday, so we can wait until then for the weather to improve. Yesterday was beautiful. Yesterday was 23 degrees, so fabulous. So I'll shut up yakking and ramashing on, and I will say goodbye. Thank you.